Good morning, guys. This is our beautiful 5 feet Christmas tree. Oh, beautiful. At yung tank ng aming fishes. Di ba? Super ganda. Yung elf namin na dyan. Palipat-lipat siya. Yung elf. Lipat-lipat siya. Ito yung may anak siya doon. Yan yung anak niya, yung father, yan yung mama. Yan yung babies. Di ba? Ay, beautiful. And of course, nandito yung iba. Yarn. Today's video, maulan. Alright. Good morning!